So another option in the properties panel are the alignment and distribution options. Now you always had access to alignment and distribution commands on the options panel over here, but now with the properties panel you don't have to go to options bar every time you select an object, a raster object that is. Alright, so these commands, if you want to align a text, you still have to use those distribution and alignment options available on the options bar. But for at least for the raster objects, you can always select them over here. So for example, let me just go ahead and click this web icon over here, alright? And let's say I want to align it with Sydney, the left edge of the Sydney. So for that, what I'm going to do is hit M on my keyboard to invoke the marquee selection tool. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a marquee over here. Now I can hold down the space bar while dragging, so I can adjust my selection over here. I'll make sure I have selected it properly. Now see what I'm going to do. I have the web layer selected over here. I'll hit V to switch to move tool. And now I'm just going to make sure that in the properties, in the align and distribute section, I have selection highlighted in the align to drop down menu. Alright, from align to drop down menu, you have two options, canvas and selection. If you select canvas, the object is going to move in relation to the entire image or the canvas size. Alright, but if you select this guy over here, selection, then the elements are going to reposition or move according to the currently selected object or selection that you have made on the canvas. So I'll make sure selection is there selected in the align to drop down menu, and I'm going to left align it. And you can see this has now docked to the left edge of my current selection. Alright, I'm going to hit Ctrl D on my keyboard to deselect it. That would be Command D on Mac. Now let's say I want to bottom align all these icons over here. So I'll Shift click all these icons, and now I'm going to simply go ahead and click bottom click, and you can see they are all properly aligned. Alright, now if I want, I can always press and hold the down arrow key to nudge them. Again, I may have to play around with the text over here. So let's say, let me just move around these icons properly. Let me just shift them, align them properly over here. Yeah, with the arrow keys. But you can see the alignment has been done properly. So this is basically how you can play around with the align and distribute commands over here. Alright, you can left align them, center align them. If you want, you can distribute them equally. So let me show you how that works. Let me just go ahead and click these. And now if I want, I can horizontally distribute them to the horizontal centers like so. Alright, so now these icons are distributed to their horizontal centers. So I can just select this text layer and reposition it like so. Alright, similarly I'll select this text layer and reposition this as well. Perfect. So, but what I have seen is another, this is more like a feature request that I'm making with Adobe, that though these options are available on the raster layers or pixel based layers, the alignment options are not available in the properties section. Alright, so alignment and distribution options should also be available for the text or vector layers in the properties panel. So who knows, maybe in the next upgrade, it's a constantly upgrading process with Creative Cloud. So maybe in the next minor upgrade, they may come up with the alignment options in the properties panel as well for text layers. Hello friends, if you really like this segment, then please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can click the bell icon right below this video to be notified about our new tutorials, best practices, tips and tricks as and when we share them. And yes, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest on the links provided below this video. Thank you.